Oh my god. My Zoella vlogger. I don't know what it is at the moment. All my recommended are just Zoella vlogs. I'm honestly really not too mad about it. Good morning, babes. My lovely little babes. How you doing today, babes? I've made my coffee. I've tidied my flat a little bit. Tidied up the 3 deliveries I had yesterday. Yes, I did have 3 separate deliveries. It was rough. I haven't filmed a YouTube video in so long. I don't know how to talk. I haven't known whether to start this video without like addressing that it's just been really different on my YouTube channel. I just haven't been the best really recently. Some of you might know that I got unwell. Obviously I couldn't go away and I couldn't go on holiday, and that was really rubbish because I was kind of really ready and really excited for that break, and even just a bit of like kind of a mental break from some things that have been going on or just some online stuff. Oh my gosh, there's like a fly fight going on outside. 3 flies. This one time there were 2 flies in my room, and I genuinely swear one of them gave birth, because then just the 3rd one appeared and all the windows were closed. I'm sure there's a lot more of a logical and rational explanation as to why another fly got in there, but to me it was the fly gave birth. I needed a break, and I was looking forward to having just that break and kind of getting away and not being on my phone so much. If one of the I can't talk. I get nervous. I can't talk. Having my YouTube channel and my Instagram, my TikTok is the best thing I have in my life, and it's the thing that makes me the most happy. But it can also be quite hard and quite overwhelming sometimes, and it's just something I feel more now, and something where it's upset me quite a bit in the past, and it's never upset me as much as it once did. I'm sure you all remember the video of me in the purple blonde t-shirt begging people to stop telling me I was the ugliest person they'd ever seen. Funnily enough, I woke up in that t-shirt today and I was like, oh, I think that one needs to go, because it's kind of got bad connotations now. It would only affect me when I'd be having hundreds of sort of mean comments, but now it can take 10, or it can take 2, or it can even take 1 some days. I needed to take that step back, and I even saw Emma Chamberlain the other day posted something being like, need to take a step back, but obviously this is also my work and my job, so when I'm not doing it I feel really lazy and like sluggish and unproductive, and this is the one thing that I really love and I'm so passionate about and I've wanted so much, and I have it, and when I can't do it and I can't act up and I can't snap out of a feeling or a mood, it really makes me feel rubbish and really useless. I'm a 20-year-old girl still. I'm still kind of learning how to engage and remember that I'm the Flossie that my friends know, my family know, and that I know, and I'm not a Flossie that some people don't know and really don't like. It's a really weird and uncomfortable one to talk about, and I hate that I'm even talking about it again, because it just really doesn't deserve the time of day, and quite clearly it makes me really upset talking about it. And that's why I haven't been here. It's not because I don't care, it's not because I don't love YouTube, it's not because I just want to go out every single night and never film a YouTube video. I just haven't felt inspired or really like safe online. And I also just want to emphasize there is so much love. Like that charity event, I haven't filmed a video since the charity event, which I want to say a huge thank you for that as well. And also a massive thank you to Souk Spaces and to Nasty Girl and to Kind Bar and to Remedy Drinks and to Candy Kittens and to Motel Rocks, and just every single person who helped out and made that day so incredible. It was so overwhelming. We were also obviously able to raise so much money for Stand Up to Cancer, which is of course it's really close to my heart and something that's affected my family in the past as well. So being able to do something for that was really, really, really special. And just having so many lovely people come together, and everyone was so nice to each other and so kind and so respectful, really just gave me that like, life is good, this is good, people are good. I'm okay now, I'm happy now, which is why I can now film a YouTube video. But I also think obviously I was getting all this stuff and all these comments, and I was inside. I had to be inside, and I've moved out on my own now, and it's just different. It was like a lot of big life changes going on. I just wanted a hug from my mum and I couldn't do that, and that's okay to need a hug from your mum every now and then. Lewis and Livia know I'm a bottler, and I don't like talking about my feelings or how I'm feeling until it just kind of all and it just kind of all, and I let it, oh, okay now. So anyway, today I am just planning myself a nice day. Lewis, bless him, is kind of looking after me today. We're gonna have a really nice day together and remind myself of all the reasons that I'm too blessed to be stressed. Let's get glam, honeybees. Fun fact, I actually do my makeup on the floor every single day, and there is honestly no other way I would have it. I don't know what it is. I've always done my makeup just sat on the floor. The thought of doing it away from a mirror, like sat this far away from a mirror, is honestly quite terrifying to me. I don't know whether that's a reflection of my eyesight. I don't know whether it's a reflection of my skill and my capabilities. Also, More Than a Woman Vibes playlist on Spotify. Hits the spot, honeybee. Olivia and I received no more serotonin than sat in her car, roof down, driving through sunny London. More Than a Woman Vibes Spotify playlist on, coffee in hand, hair blowing, sunglasses probably lost in the park. Delicious summer energy, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Right, I'm gonna do my makeup, come back to you. Quick makeup transition. Walk for me, sir. Oh my god, is that the new Louis Vuitton? I can't remember if I've already addressed my nails, but it's really sensitive and I don't want to talk about it. And I've got to get them done because I'm doing a really exciting shoot tomorrow. I don't know where it's going to take me, considering... Wait, when are you gonna get it done? I don't know, that's something I still haven't figured out yet. Still a lot in my life I'm trying to figure out. I'm also trying to figure out why I didn't shave my legs this morning. We're heading into Central now to do a little bit of retail therapy, because as much as I hate to admit it, there is nothing in this life that makes me more happy than shopping. Call me a basic. Call me by your name. What's the next verb? Tell me you love me, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I didn't realise my Uber driver was a little nass. Call me a basic bitch, I don't care. It's who I am and no one can take that away from me. I love this song. I had a dream where I was squeezing a spot on my forehead, and do you ever have those dreams and it's just like your brain comes out?
No, I've never had that.
You've never had one of those dreams? I swear they're really common, and I've specifically waited for this vlog to Google what it means. I've had them so much through my life where you squeeze a spot and like genuinely just your brain like comes out like so much.
I ever had a dream about spots. What was my dream last night? I feel like it was really vivid.
And that was the end of that. Interpretation dreams about popping huge spots on this site may be a reflection of your future. It can also be something that is still in touch with your own past. That literally like has not answered anything.
It's like vague. It's like it could be the future or the past.
Actually dream meaning. Okay, dreaming about squeezing or popping a spot in the dream indicates that you need and express your negative emotions. You're beginning to acknowledge your awkward emotions and you're doing what you can to make yourself look better.
Good for you.
Thanks, babe. Dreaming about a giant spot. This suggests you're putting too much focus on the fault that you exhibit. You are placing your zit or pimple. Why do Americans call them pimples? It's like the most disgusting word I've ever heard in my life. Under the spotlight to examine, and you do not like what you see. If the spot is actually painful in the dream, it suggests that you're finding this. If the spot is If the spot is actually painful in the dream, it suggests that your findings are hurting you emotionally. Perhaps you should learn to accept who you are. Just to put it bluntly. She gon' pop it open. She gon' make it. Guys, I just saw a boy I was once talking to on Oxford Street, and he is definitely going into the shop I'm going into. So far, shopping day off to a great start. What are we thinking to the bag? It's got like gold. I'm gonna have to point to everything with my middle finger because, hiya. Me and Lewis were just saying we only really like Gucci when it's kind of like the garish tacky. One time, I like came on a date with a boy shopping in Selfridges and he set off the alarm. I am obsessed with this bag. The fluffy, but also every time I buy a fluffy bag or I go to buy a fluffy bag, the exposure is really low on this, hold on. Every time I go to buy a fluffy bag, I think of the meme where it's like, I was so horny, I told her I like to have a fluffy bag. Do you know what I mean? I'm wearing Doc Martens out for the first time today and they're already rubbing me so much. Leaving Selfridges empty-handed, unfortunately. I'm gonna go.
No. You you bought the gift of love.
Yes, I bought the gift of love. Kisses.
And you bought the gift of saving.
I bought the gift of actually being able to pay my rent this month. Lewis wants to get one of these buffets. Get one.
Oh no.
Get one. I want one of the little octopuses that you put on your head. I bet you'd love one of those, wouldn't you?
And other stories. Do people still shop in them?
I literally went in there the other day to look at the jewellery.
There we go, we answered the question people do.
Their jewellery is really, really nice. We're gonna go and get a coffee now, I think. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten yet today because I woke up so late. But we're actually gonna meet up with Olivia in a little bit for a bit of sushi. I've also, thank God, managed to get my nails put in because this is a problem. The state of the nail on my pinky is honestly terrifying. So the nerve I have to say the nail, the half nail that is left behind. I get my nails so ridiculously long. I know they're really long, but I'm never gonna learn. It's a lifestyle choice. Having half a nail under the acrylic is a lifestyle choice. We're at Joe and the Juice. So just got a coffee and a banana bread.
Banana bread was really good.
Yeah, I had a carrot cake from here the other day. But the guy at the Joe and the Juice was like, hi. Oh my God, hi, how are you? It took me a second. How are you guys? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Literally being eaten by this plant right now. Just bumped into my manager's little sister, which is very nice.
I want to be invited to this.
I got invited.
I'm so jealous.
I go into the Molly May Pretty Little Thing event. How exciting. Anyway, guy at the Joe and Juice checkout goes, why are you wearing that coat? And I was like, what? He's like, why are you wearing that coat? It's so hot outside. And I was like, kind of like committed to the coat now, like committed for the outfit. And this girl's like, oh, she wants to show off all her new stuff she bought in lockdown. And then he goes, yeah, but you're stood there looking miserable. What do I say to that? What do I say to that? I was literally just like, it's just my face. I got the avocado sandwich. It's the best. I eat like a BBL girl, I'm not. I don't think we're going into, oh sorry. We just bumped into two really, really sweet, lovely viewers. We're just not really in the headspace for shopping today. I'm really not feeling very well.
Physically, I am here. I'm giggling at myself editing this back, so I'm like, girl, little did you know. Little did you know. Stay till the end of the video to find out about my absolute saga 24 hours I've just endured. I'm very on my period, if you know what I mean. Oh, I think Olivia's here. We're gonna, as I said, we're gonna meet up with Olivia for some sushi. So Emma used to slap me across the face and tell me to cheer up. I just can't hack today. I'm really sorry. We're in, is it Oka or Oka? Oka. We're in Oka, the sushi restaurant right now with Lewis and Olivia. Olivia's just come off a very exciting shoot, which I probably am not allowed to disclose. Olivia's actually mentioned that this is one of her favorite places to come for sushi, and I've never been here before. I've really pushed the boat out this time and gone for an avocado maki, but actually also the agadashi tofu. Okay, pronunciation come through. Wow, tastes like avocado sushi, but good avocado sushi. Mummy, what's this? Wasabi. This is wasabi. It's funny looking. Here we have the agadashi tofu. Crispy, golden hour, she's the moment. I don't feel very well.
Yeah, feeling ill is a mindset.
True. I don't feel very well. How about your period of mindset? I'm manifesting it being over in a day.
Real ass bitch, give a
Yeah, fishy bread.
She's got a fishy bed, so I don't know what the fuck you're getting on now.
Poppin' head, you feelin' this, you money short like midget kids. You girl gon' say she want my egg, put it in a bag, in a bag.
How much? Yes. 60. You had to pay? Yay! I won! That's the devil's number. I told you it's a bad day. Actually, no, those are two angel numbers. These bitches. Angel numbers. Look for the sign. Bye. 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 Do something performative. Go.
In a foreign, hello, yeah, hey, that's me. No, I don't like to be, but she gon' jerk me like the meat. No, I don't like to be, so she gon' ride me till I sleep. Hey, yeah, hey, around me till I sleep. Tell all my haters that I hope they rest in peace. Lil' Crippin', lil' booty call one hella recipe.
I'm literally focusing this with my nose right now. These are the nails, guys. Honestly, so obsessed. She does the most amazing job. She's called Chi Nails. She's located in Neal's Yard. So such a nice location as well. The way they're so straight and so flat, I really struggle to find places that do my nails like this, and all the colors, shape, everything. Oh, delicious. I am absolutely shattered. I honestly, in that nail shop, it was so embarrassing. I felt like I kept nodding my head and I was about to fall asleep at any second. I don't know what it is at the moment. I'm just exhausted, probably because I'm on my period. If I haven't mentioned, I am on my period, so I think I'm just gonna book an Uber home, and I'd quite like to do like a face mask and a hair mask maybe tonight, because I've got a really big shoot tomorrow. Actually, that was the reason I went and got my nails done today. Yeah, I'm shooting something very exciting with Miss Neal. Where am I going? Also walking so weirdly because these Doc Martens with thin little socks was not the move this morning, honeybee. I'm pretty confident in the fact I do not have any skin left on my feet. Catch you on the flip side, honey. I'm home. I found these. Olivia went to get some Doc Martens today and I saw these in the shop. They're called the Double Doc Sock. Double layer protection for breaking in your new Doc's boots and shoes. Thank me later, because this is a big problem. Come on, I have faith in you. Come on, come on. Here's a better look at my nails. I'm just so obsessed with them. She does the most incredible job. Last night, I saw two people right across my building, right in the tower next to me. I saw it. I saw absolutely everything. I was on FaceTime to my friend Samson, and I was sort of looking out the window and thought I could see something going on, and then I saw something and I knew what was going on. Also slightly concerning to think of what they can see me do. I have come to terms with the fact that I am the naked neighbor. All it takes is one person with a good magnifying lens and my life is over. I will be getting a lot of laser eye surgery bills to the door. And just like that, we are brought to the current moment in time. So the next morning, I'm editing this vlog back, and at the end of this vlog, I'm going, I'm really sorry guys, I just feel like I haven't been as upbeat today. I just haven't really been feeling 100%. Bitch, you weren't feeling 100% because I'm 99.9% sure I got food poisoning. I woke up at 5 AM last night and just started projectile vomiting. Like projectile vomiting. I'm talking 8 years old, mummy I've been sick type B. Wake up in cold sweats, like it feels like the room is spinning. I feel like I'm drunk. I just start gagging, run to the bathroom, bleh. Not cute, not fun. This whole vlog as well, it was going on about how I had this big shoot today and I just had to cancel it this morning. I was really hoping I'd wake up and just feel better, but I'm not feeling hunky-dory. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not feeling tip-top, but I really hope you enjoyed this video anyway. I had such a nice day. I had such a fun day. And I'm feeling really good and really positive and sort of can't wait to come back with these bad boys. No one is stopping me with these. I'm using my 1 ounce of energy to film this outro. I want to lie in a dark hole and never come out right now. I feel so unwell. Yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to me. You can follow me on Instagram, which I'm actually now verified on. Hello? That came out of nowhere. I love you all so much. I hope you're happy, healthy, thriving. I hope it's sunny wherever you are. And I'll see you all very soon. Love you. Bye.